all mainstream media actually serving you a lie. They say that the property houses are not dropping, that property prices are going up, which is actually a pure lie. As we can see, in 2024, the average house price in the UK is £291,000 and 828. But in 2022, average house price was 294k, which means actually that houses even not moved, didn't move, actually dropped since 2022. Actually, drop was even stronger than now, as actually it was around 20, 30, 40, sometimes 50,000 pounds per house just 1 year ago. And now the prices, actually the current prices that are given to the public, average house prices in the UK are lower than in 2022. But this is not even half of the truth about the house prices in UK, as house prices in UK are dropping to something called gold. Look at this. If in 2022 average house price was the same as today, how on earth, tell me how on earth you are not comparing house prices in UK to gold price. In 2022, gold price was as low as £1,400, but just a few weeks ago, 1 ounce of gold was almost £2,200. That means gold actually increased around almost 50% from 2022 to today. Today is just 2066, but probably soon it will be even more, as actually they are printing money, as actually they are lowering interest rate. But the house prices are not going up. There's a pure lie that houses are not dropping. House prices are not, prices are going, even came back to 2022 level. On the top of that, if we compare house prices in UK to gold price, that means just from 2022, house prices went down by 50% compared to gold. Look at this. That means in 2 years, house prices actually dropped. In 3 years, dropped 50% comparing to the gold. This is how they lie you. British pound is going down, and actually they show you numbers in GBP, the British pound. But GDP, British pound, is not efficient source. Well, this is not any source. This is not any number. This is not even an asset that can show you the real price of houses in UK. Just if we look at this. Since February 2024, 10 months ago, if we compare house prices to gold prices, that means now if you house prices actually dropped 30%, 25%. If the gold will proceed with the rise as in last years, that means for the same quantity of gold, you will be able to buy 2 houses. Let's say, if in March you had a gold, you would have to spend, let's say, 2,000 gold for your house. That means you've got a set number of gold. Then different way. Let's say you want to buy a house in March of this year, which average price is 294. And you have gold, which worth is 294k. If gold will proceed with the rise, that means if you didn't buy your house for your gold in March and you left this gold to the next March or to the 100% rise as it is happening now, that means for your gold you would be able to buy 2 houses. Okay, you would be able to buy 2 houses. That means 50% drop in the house price compared to gold, compared to silver. I am even not talking about cryptocurrencies because that is a different story. So your gold, look at this. If you had gold in February 2024, let's say for 250k, that means today you have 25% more. You gained. Your gold gained 25% since January, February, since actually 2021. Your gold gained almost 100% to 21st of November. Now it's a little drop. It's a correction, price correction. They are lying you all the time. They are lying you because they may not understand finances and economics, so they just telling you wrong things. But they may understand, and they are lying you. They are showing you price in GBP. You must always take into account price in gold, in silver, in dollars, in crypto, maybe not because it's a different story, but to real worth, which actually is now around the world. Because you will never understand how much actually wealth you have. Even if you British, if you American, you may count your wealth in American dollars, if you in US, in GBP, if you in United Kingdom, and you will be misled by yourself, because if you must count it to other prices around the world. Let's say they tell you that your house actually price rose from 200k to 300k. But in the same situation, in the same in the same time frame, gold actually skyrocketed 100%. That means you can buy much less gold for your house than before. But in the same, let's say in Thailand or in Australia, house prices went together with the gold. That means your house is less. In GBP maybe it is more. But in gold, in other house prices, is less. They are stupid or they are lying. That's it. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel for more informations like this. You will get fresh, real knowledge, not knowledge for dummies, for stupid people. From stupid people, you will get real knowledge, real prices, real financial, economical education. Please subscribe, notify, like, give me thumb up, give me commentary. See you soon.